Warning: this crucial information about restoring your eyesight is on the brink of vanishing forever from the internet. Thanks to a courageous individual who dared to defy the powers that be, you now have access to the only solution for vision loss that actually works. But beware, Big Pharma is on the warpath. They have unleashed their full wrath against him, and their sinister attempts to silence this breakthrough are intensifying by the minute. They could pull this vital information offline at any moment. The truth is, you'll be both horrified and outraged to discover just how simple this method is. Yet it has been ruthlessly suppressed and kept from you. This method has already empowered 148,000 people to reclaim their perfect 20/20 vision. And astonishingly, some have even reported improved hearing. The man behind this revelation risked everything, including his freedom, to bring this to you. He faces the very real threat of federal imprisonment, so you can benefit from this life-changing discovery. The clock is ticking. Check our profile for a groundbreaking video.